Okay, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After them, I will start. Okay. And after so many days, Afreen, you are.
Mama, actually Ramzan were going on. That's why.
Okay. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes more. After that, I will start. Let them join. Okay, now start the class. So, very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, the topic has already been given to you people. Lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic is the topic. Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, I wasn't there in classes, so I don't know.
Yesterday I have sent the link. There I have mentioned the topic, I think so. If you have read the link, then you must have read the topic also. Is it in the link or not? Please go through it once. Okay, let me start. So the first participant who is? Who's the first participant? Bhavna Rani. Bhavna Rani. Just connecting with me. Shubham Prasad. Shubham Prasad. Unmute yourself. So one by one name I will call and you will be being muted. So better I think that I should also mute and I should report to sir that no one will do their tasks and no one will speak. So sir, I am closing this class and these are the students and rest have not joined till now. So what the necessary actions to be taken, please sir, you just take. Should I do this one or you people will speak? Let me clear from your side. And your marks are still to be given for this 5th semester. So I don't know, I should think that I should stay on again you in the 5th semester for this subject. So no one is going to unmute themselves. So thank you all of you. So I just leave the class. You people leave the class. This all things are recording. So please one by one leave the class. Great one for you.
Ma'am, better you ask name and let them reply.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Shubham.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
After what you are saying, I'm not getting you. What you have told? Please repeat.
Ma'am, I'm saying those who are left, you can take their name one by one and then can tell if you wanted
I am
if
just
they are
giving you
having.
a chance. I am telling them to be unmuted. This Shubham Prasad and all. No need, then why should I? It is not my headache, man. I have told you. I am taking your names. Afrin, you just told, I don't know, madam. I am not attended. Shubham is not doing mute. He is in mute position.
But if you'll tell me, I can speak lines. Like after some people, if you tell me, I won't take excuse.
No, then why you want? If you will not speak, then don't speak ना बाबा. हम तो बोले मेरा सर दर्द नहीं है. I have already posted the link. I have already posted the topic. If you don't want to attend, please write that this is. I don't want to attend the class to HOD. They will forward, or I will forward your names that this much students is only attending. So, and there is no proper response I am getting from them.
Ma'am, if nobody is speaking, then I can speak.
I have told who want to speak, they can speak. Who wanted to speak, please speak.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. This topic is lessons from COVID-19 pandemic. From COVID-19 pandemic, we got lessons like social protection and food security and supporting alternative livelihoods. During COVID-19, we helped other persons who was in need for food and other things. And also to the workers through companies by providing them money instead of their work. And that's all.
How much time is been given? 5 minutes. Do 5 minutes is there? Amit Kumar Pramanik, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you told 5 minutes? Please see the time.
Ma'am, actually, I haven't prepared it earlier, ma'am. Now I saw the topic. So,
But you know the link, you haven't seen the topic. Then I should do a extempore or debate over here when you are not prepared. If I'm not prepared, then I should give a extempore. Next, Shubham Kumar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम अभी तो मतलब कि 5 मिनट्स तो नहीं बोल पाएंगे, मतलब थोड़ा देर ही, क्योंकि अभी जस्ट टॉपिक देखे मैम, हमको लगा था कि नॉर्मल क्लास होगा.
Yes, you just see the link, you don't see the topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
ये मैम ऐसे बोलना है लेसन फ्रॉम कोविड-19 पे ना मैम.
Just go to the topic and see what the topic says. I think that much English you know.
या मैम. ठीक है मैम. तो गुड आफ्टरनून मैम. दिस इज शुभम कुमार पांडे and I am going to say some points which we have taken as a lesson from COVID-19. Firstly, COVID-19 stands for coronavirus. It has means basically different types of strains. Means COVID-19 affected our life in many ways. It causes loss of life and livelihoods of many peoples. But the lesson which we have taken from COVID-19 is that means first thing, when it strikes in 2009, 2020, 20 means in India 2020 March, or in world 2019, prevention is better than cure, because at that time we have no medicine, so we should have to prevent ourselves from COVID, and it is the general practice that we perform means cleanliness, hand washing, means hygiene awareness must be focused, because before COVID-19 means people's lifestyles was so much means what we can say, people's lifestyle was too much busy, so matlab they can't focus too much on their hygienic lifestyle. But when COVID strike, the whole world means just stop for some times, for some days. Then people
seems the whole world seems to be, whole world pura stop kaise ho gaya? Seems to be.
Yeah ma'am, seems to be stopped. Then people start their initial practice that we should be means maintain a hygienic environment, we should maintain social distancing, all those practice which we have performed. Because ma'am means firstly means before COVID strikes, means our medicines have almost means our science department has almost means every disease cure, means treatment. But when COVID strike, then due to the medical facilities, people even don't take too much tensions about their health. They work don't think the situations where they are working. They work because if they earn money, then if they are facing problems, then medical science can help them. But when COVID strikes, then people get that money, even money can't help them. So
How
the
money
best
can't
thing,
help them? How money can't help them?
yeah, ma'am, means when in initial phase, ma'am, when there was no medicine, then what was the condition? No medicine was, ma'am.
No
In initial
medicine,
March,
initial phase, when you are saying money can't help them, how can you say? Clarify this one to me.
yeah, man, money can't help people because in the means money can't help them in particular sense, and the sense is that they what is the importance of money if money can't save their life?
I just
Why?
wanted
What
to
is the
ask the lessons. I don't want to know the effect. I
yeah,
want
means
the
ma'am,
lessons that man has learned and means the
man
world
has
has
learned,
learned.
man, means we should have work in we should have work, but we should maintain our hygienic environments.
How hygienic
Means
environment you are saying? How hygienic environment?
means what is hygienic environment, ma'am?
Yeah, hygienic environment क्या होता है?
Means sorry, hygienic awareness, or our environment should be clean.
Clean, without no trees.
Yeah.
Without no trees.
No, ma'am. Means if there will be tree, then our environment will be green, ma'am.
So hygienic means क्या? Greenery environment. What are the lessons?
Yeah.
Just say the lessons.
Yeah, means we should maintain ma'am, means we should excess what we can say, ma'am, we should maintain cleanness, ma'am. First thing which
Protection.
we must, what, ma'am?
Protection.
Yeah, means protection and cleanliness means we should have to be clean. We should have to perform hand washing. We should have to maintain social distancing.
Baba, I am not saying this one. I am asking the lessons. You don't have to say all the reasons. What are the lessons that has been taught this COVID-19?
The lesson which we taught from COVID-19 is that means the first lesson that we should have to prevent ourselves from disease by maintaining social distances.
Okay.
We should perform healthy works, and means we should perform means, ma'am, what can I say? We should have to eat means what I say, warm food, and practice means, and the situation of practicing homeopathic and household remedies helps us to find out the situation that science is developing too much, but we should not disconnect ourselves from our ancient practice.
Okay.
The second lesson means
ancient.
Yeah, I mean, ancient, ma'am.
Ancient.
Prachin, ma'am. Ancient, ANCIENT.
Yeah, ancient बोलते हैं कि ancient बोलते?
Ancient.
Ancient. You will say.
Ancient practice means second lesson, ma'am.
Yeah.
Third lesson which we have taught means which we have taken from COVID prevention हो गया, मैम. सोशल मतलब कि ये हो गया, एंशिएंट प्रैक्टिस हो गया, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हम लोग को मेंटेन, वी शुड हैव टू मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. या मैम,
that we have to always keep a cash.
Cash. Yes,
we always have to keep a cash. We have to keep always. Yes, we have to save money as well as.
Yeah, ma'am. Means we have
disaster
to.
needs money to come overcome.
Yes,
Without
ma'am.
money, you can't overcome with any kind of
And
disasters.
and one more lesson, ma'am. We should have to be positive attitude, ma'am. Means
Yeah.
positive thinking
Yeah. Okay.
that we can overcome this situation.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Amrit.
Yes, ma'am.
Amrit and Shubham is a good student. Most probably, I hope they will get good marks.
ऐसा होता नहीं है ना मैम मेरे साथ.
क्यों नहीं होता है? क्यों नहीं होता है? They're good students. Okay, go ahead, Amrit.
मैम स्पीच दिलवाइएगा क्लास में.
Huh?
Ma'am, may I mute myself?
Yeah, you mute yourself. Go ahead, Amrit.
मैम क्या पे बोलना है?
COVID-19 lessons the world has learned. You people don't see the topic given. Huh? 6th semester you people are now. Not careless, Uji. Speak. COVID-19 lessons. Otherwise, I will give to Afrin. After that, Amrit, you will. Afrin.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good
good
evening,
idea.
everyone. Not a good idea.
Very good idea.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So we have to speak on the lesson taught by the pandemic.
Yeah.
So the first lesson is the importance of relationships.
Very good.
We are living in an era where we forgot our friends, our families, just for the sake of earning. Earning is very important. I'm not saying it's not important, but your people are more important, because at some day they will need you and you will need them. So if you'll not be there when they will need you, then how will you expect they'll be there when you'll be needing them? So this thing it has taught. And the second thing, uncertainty of life. Just because we are earning a good wealth and we are having good amount of money, we should not be very certain that we won't be reaching to death. It's up to God. He can take your life any second. Even the instance you are talking to someone, even the instance you are having your food at any time. So never be so certain about your life or your death. And the third thing is discrimination myth. We always used to think that, oh, I'm having a lot of money, and if I'll be suffering from some kind of a disease or some kind of pandemic or some kind of a bad thing, then I'll be procured from that by using the money which I'm having. So it's totally a myth. The disease won't see that you are a poor or you are a rich.
Yeah,
it will treat equally to everyone. So don't be so proud of the wealth you're having, or the even though if you're having some wealth, then use it to help people, those who are in need, because maybe when you will be having the disease, then their wishes can be the reason for getting safe from your disease. So that is the thing. And the fourth thing is that if you think that you're having some best medical services, then also don't take it as for granted, because that's what India did. Even the biggest producers of vaccine is not having enough amount of vaccines to save its own people. That should not be that is not the proper management. Management should always be there. With that value of freedom, in this life, we just forgot about freedom. We just forgot about like sparing time to talk our people. We just forgot about thinking about one own self with our busy schedule. So these are all things. And with that, the most important thing is that always be thankful to the God. You are living a life where you're you are not yet suffered with the disease, or you haven't been positive yet, that is the true blessing from the God. Always be thankful to him. Moreover, do the things that make you safe from the pandemic, that maintain social distancing and stay safe at home.
Okay. So these are the lessons.
Yes, ma'am, according to me.
Now, next. Amrit. Amrit. Oi, Amrit, where you are?
हेलो
Yeah, hello. Go ahead.
बहुत अच्छा बात सुनने को मिला।
Now you speak. अच्छा बात.
By the way, thanks.
But someone is missing something. No one is coming to the main thing. Still, I am not satisfied with each one of you. Till now, Amit,
थोड़ा
Shubha.
हिंट दे दीजिए, उसी का बता देंगे। हिंट दे दीजिए किस तरह, मतलब कौन सा पॉइंट ऐसा।
Now you, Amrit, go ahead. Don't waste the time. Rest of the students are there. Please speak. What this man is doing? Amrit, will you speak or not? Hello? I will just put you in the waiting room, Amrit. Unmute yourself. Now, Pankaj Kirketta. Pankaj Kirketta. Shubham Prasad. Shubham Prasad. Gyandev Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I am going to speak about the lesson for the world about from the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has taught us many things, like humanity died before the humans are dying. According to Australian report, China has prepared this pandemic from 2015 only. According to that report, China is using coronavirus as its biological weapon. If it is true,
Wait.
Then
I just want to know the lessons. What lessons you have learned from this pandemic? I know what lessons you have learned.
the lesson is that, ma'am, humans is not even trying to help other human. The people of China is want to kill other people of another country. This kind of humanity should not be there in this world. That's why I told humanity died before humans are dying.
I know. I just want to know the proper thing. I just want to know the lessons what you have learned. I don't want to know the left and right. I just want to know what are the lessons that you have learned from this pandemic. Go ahead with these things.
Another lesson is that, ma'am, money can't do everything. Coronavirus affects rich people and poor people equally.
Can
Even
you, money can't do anything. Can you say it like this also, na? Make each movement count. You can say these things that make each movement count. ये money can't do anything से अच्छा है कि make each movement count, you can say, na?
yes, ma'am.
Because you can't justify that money can't do anything, because if you've been admitted to the hospital, no one is going to help. Even your relatives will not help if you don't have any money, any savings. The vaccine part is not only that, na? Other things are also necessary. खाना पीना भी तो है, जिंदा भी तो रहना है. उसको फ्री में तो कोई नहीं देगा ना. The government will not give you in free, na?
Yes, government is not giving free.
So you can say that each movement count. That Afrin has just told, everything is life is just uncertain. We don't know what will happen. She has told very nice point. And also she has told that be positive.
Yes, ma'am.
In the next session, again, I will come to you people.
Ma'am, but we are also not contributing.
What?
To prevent the spread of this virus.
To prevent the?
Preventing this virus.
How you will do? How you will prevent?
Because
I am not asking the prevention and the precautions measures. I am asking the lessons. That's it. I am not here in a panel discussion to discuss about this COVID. I am here to discuss about the lessons. Next point.
Yes, ma'am. The next point is that we should not believe in the fake news, like about COVID-19. People are believing about the fake news that coronavirus is nothing but it is due to 5G network. These are fake news. We should not believe this.
ये लेसन क्या है? लेसन हमने क्या सीखा कोविड से? Use of technology. How we can use the technology. Working from home. Respect people's place. Special place for the doctors. The technology saves our life as well as our mental health. Then nature is the
society has a
nature is the ultimate, but I should say nature is the supreme power. Nature
I'm coming to that point only, ma'am.
Yeah, nature is supreme. Maintenance of hygiene and sanitation.
Yes, ma'am.
Eating eating right thing is a priority. And what are the right things of eating? Consuming of
Green
tobacco.
vegetables, healthy foods
No,
are
no,
necessary.
consuming of this tobacco, alcohols, and many more types of cooked meals are just dangerous for our health. What are the right things to eat this time? The amla juice, the ghee oil. That means the ancient culture of consuming meals should be adopted in our everyday life. That is why we call health is the real wealth. Savings. Importance of savings in our life. The whole world is interconnected. First, you see the Wuhan has affected. After that, slowly, the whole world is being affected. So the whole world is affected. The whole world is interconnected. We are not different. Okay. Humanity, need of humanity, the feeling of humanity. Our life is so precious. This COVID has taught us that our life is very precious. So always we have to be grateful and take care of it. These types of things you can say, na? Family matters a lot, more than all the what is Facebook friends and all. No one will come and stand. Now what the family, all the full family members are under only one roof. It was previously possible? No. But the COVID has taught that the whole family can live in one under roof. And this is only the best medicine, I think. The family is the best medicine for all these things. Because the tough times are being faced by the families only. And the family only stands. These are the things you have to say one by one, the point. You have to take care of yourself. Okay. You can start up many kinds of businesses from work from home. The chances have increased to earn money, to get better opportunities from work from home. It has also told us that age is just a number. Because now many things are there. There are data entries and all which we can do like this and online work. We can learn many more skills additionally with our studies. We can do many more courses, internships during this